Okay, so to connect your ReSound rechargeable hearing aids to your iPhone for the first time, you're going to take them off of your ears and turn them off. So you do that by holding the button down on the back of the hearing aid for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see it blink 3 times green. That means it's off. Next, we're going to go to settings. Once we're in the settings menu, we're going to go to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you're going to scroll down until you get to hearing devices. Once it says searching, you're going to hold the buttons down on the back of your hearing aids again for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see it blink green 1 time. It will start searching. Here it comes up testers hearing aids. What you want to pay attention to is that right here where it says R plus L. That means that it's found both the right and the left. Next, we're going to hit connected. It should ask us to pair. We're going to do this twice. So pair. And now our hearing aids are connected to our iPhone.